guys, welcome to Xposed GH. If today is your first time of tuning into our channel, you know what to do. Subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification button so that anytime we post a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, we all know that in recent times, armed robbers are meant to be stealing money and some cooking appliances and the rest. But have you heard of any armed robber stealing a coffin before? You haven't? Well, I haven't myself. I've not even heard or seen say armed robbers are called via a funadaka. Obeka say ade omubibiye wana na say omuniska no mode kwakoto sa a funadaka no makobia. So this particular issue happened yesterday in Kumasi, okay? Armed robbers ekobia coffin, okay? 2 coffins in Tomosebia. They've lost 2 relatives and they needed those coffins, so they had to go and steal. But before that, let's go watch this video and come.
Hey, Mimi America is America. I'm a year too, Papa. Profono is serious. Hey, we won't be though.
That's one pointing for you. Fundaka me in the area.
You've seen the video, you've watched it, so much. I said, me American as way the America. If not that has you, yeah. I don't want to mean to if not that. And I'll be here. Who used to know what if one that yes, and I am way. So I would use that if not that. So this is very it's unbelievable. Yeah, they say armed robbers, can I almofa. If not that has to be is does that one concern you or is it part of your business again? So guys, this is all for today. So I hope this particular video made your day. I hope you loved watching it. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Al-Hassan. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on all social media handles, Xposed GH.